Good morning, folks. It's not very light out yet. It's just starting to come daylight. Come join me as I go and start my day off by feeding a bale of hay to my sheep. Normally I'd like to give my tractor a chance to start up, or to warm up, but it's not going to happen this morning. So, you're going to hear some beeping here in a second. Gotta wait for the glow plug light to go out so we can start it.
A fine job of that.
We gotta turn down the radio. Then we gotta hope it starts. Because I didn't have it plugged in last night. Yeah. It struggled to start, but it did start. Alright. Hoping I can get this bale fed before the sheep come and find me, because they get very in my way when I'm trying to feed this bale to them, because they're excited to have the bale. Sorry, my tractor's beeping at us because it would like to be warmer. Oh, I see Mr. Titus up here. Sorry for the beeping, folks. Like I said, when the tractor's had time to warm, you don't get that. There's Mr. Titus. Now, we're going to come around this corner and see if the sheep are out here yet. Nope, they're not. So that's a good thing. But they'll probably come running once they hear me. Oh. All right. I'll bring you along with me here. I'll see if I can find a fence post to set this up on, so you can see me taking the bale wrap off. So I just have to, I always cut the plastic on one side, and when I'm cutting it, I cut the strings on the bale just on the one side. And then I cut an X shape in the end, in this end of the bale, in the plastic. Sorry, I got a bunch of hay and stuff in my mouth. And then I roll the plastic back off the bale and lay it on the front of the tractor fork, or the bale spear. And then I come around to this side and I pick out the individual strings, and hopefully they're cut in half, because when this string goes on the bale, it goes around continuously. And so when I cut it kind of in half at the center point, and then that allows me to bring all these strings out. There's always a few strings that hide on me. Yeah, I don't see any more. Doesn't mean there isn't any more, but I don't see any more. And then with my strings, I always wrap them in the exact same way. I just kind of double them up like that. Keep doubling them. And then when I get down to about that much left, I wrap the first wrap over my thumb, and the rest, I miss my thumb, and I wrap it right in until I get close to the end. And then when I just have a little bit left, I tuck this in the hole that my thumb's in and pull it tight. I know no one cares about that, but that's just what I do. All right, now let me grab you, and we'll go back in the tractor. Look at there's a big pile of strings in my tractor. Okay, there we go. Door's finally closed. Okay, so now it's a bit of a finagling act to get this bale where I want it. I would like to have my hay feeder closer to the fence here so I can put it in, but I also like having enough room around the hay feeder so the sheep can get the whole way around it. So it only just takes me a little more jiggling here, and then after that it's all good. Gotta watch I don't hit the fence with the tractor. That's about as close as I can get. And ta-da! We're in there. My tractor, because it's a hydraulic clutch, is always extremely jumpy when it's cold, which is why I really should let it warm up. But anyways, all right, I'm gonna just get this tractor down out of the way, and then we'll go see if we can call the sheep, see if they'll come out and see us this morning. I suspect they will, but knowing my animals, they might not. All right. Okay. There's Mr. Titus. Hi, buddy. All right. Titus, where are you? Okay, I know. I know, you're excited to see Dad, aren't you? Oh, and you have to get a belly rub. Oh, we need a belly rub. Oh, we need a belly rub. Oh, yes, good belly rub. Okay. All right, let's try calling these sheep. Sheepy ladies! Sheepy ladies, it's breakfast. Come on, sheepy ladies. Girly, 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 girlies. Girly, girly, girlies. Come on, sheepy ladies. Oh, Titus. Come on, sheepy ladies. Come on, girls. Titus knows who I'm calling. He ran right over to look in the barn. That won't help them come out, though, because they don't particularly love Titus, even though he's their protector. Sheepy ladies, are you ready for breakfast? Come on, ladies. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on, ladies. Come on, girly girlies. Come on. Come on, girls. Just stand there looking at me like I got 4 heads. Come on, girls. Let's go. Come on, ladies. Come on, ladies. Come on, girls. Come on, Aunt Shirley. Come on, Stella. Come on, Mary. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on, girly girls. Well, that is unusual, I must say. Come on, girls. Let's go. Come on, Mary. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, girls. Come on, girls, let's go. Come on, girlies. Come on, girls. There we go. Come on, girls. They're scared of Titus. Come on, girls. Come on, girlies. Come on, girls. Come on, Stelly Dell. Come on, Stell. Come on, girls. Come on, girlies. Titus, you're making this whole thing hard. Yes, you are. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Let's go. Let's go, girls. Come on. Come on, girls. Girly, 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 girlies. Come on, girls. Come on. Oh, my soul. Come on, girls. Girls. Why are we being so difficult? Huh? Why are we being so difficult? Come on, girls. Come on, Ann. This is Annie Bobani. This is Ann Shirley. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on, girls. Well, then go that way if you'd like. Okay. Come on. Come on, girls. Get going, Stout. Come on, Marie. Come on, Dorothy. Come on. Come on. Come on, girls. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on, girls, up here. This way, girls. Come on. Come on, girls. Come on. Took them a little bit to get going, but now they're going. Come on, girlies. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. That's Marie and Blanche and Betsy, Angus, Beverly, Dorothy, Izzy, Ferguson, missed a couple, Stella, Massey, Opal went by. Oh my soul, that was too many. Beatrice just went by. That's Eunice, Lucy, Muriel. Look at the one going with the chicken on its back. Oh my, that's so funny. This chicken just rode the whole way from the barn on Bernice's back. And it doesn't appear like it has any real interest in leaving. Honest to goodness, that is so funny. So now they're happy. Oh, and this is my Patty girl. This is my Patty girl. And this is Virginia. And this is Ann Shirley out here. Come on in, Annie. Come on, baby girl. Come on, Annie. Come on, Annie Ann. Come on, Annie Ann. Let's go. Come on, Annie Ann. Go on in and get something to eat. There you go, Annie Ann. Good girl. So let's just, I'll try to just be quiet for a second. We'll listen to the sound of the munching. Oh, here, I'm going to take my little mic off and I'll put it close to one of the girls that's munching. As long as Ferguson doesn't eat it. So this is one of my rams. This is Ferguson. And then this is my other ram over here, Massey. Massey and Ferguson, just like my tractor. Not very original, but we find it funny. All right, that's one task off my list. And now I'm off to go do some chicken chores. All right, folks. I'll catch you later.